Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp username. WhatsApp has introduced usernames making it easier to connect with people without sharing your phone number. And if the feature is available for your account, you can create a unique username that others can use to find and message you. And to get started, open your WhatsApp and make sure you sign into your account. It's also a good idea to update your WhatsApp. What you need to do is go to your App Store and check if any update available. If there's an icon for the update, you need to tap on this update and that is it. And go to your WhatsApp again. And from here select to your profile icon in the bottom right. And here what you need to do is choose account. And from here under this account in the bottom and over there you'll find an option for the username. And after that you can proceed to it and follow the on-screen instruction. And after you've selected an available username, and WhatsApp will show a confirmation that it's valid and review it carefully because this is the username people will use to find you without knowing your phone number. And after you're done, select save or done to reserve your username. And you can see as it is not available here, the feature is being rolled out gradually, so it may not be available to everyone yet. And make sure your app is fully updated and check back periodically for future updates. And that is it. That's how you can create and reserve your WhatsApp username. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.